You're going to love the 2013 Audi TTS. This two-door, four-passenger coupe has just over 15,000 miles. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, rain-sensing wipers, and leather upholstery. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as knee airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.